500 plus most important synonyms: right, correct, common, ordinary, brilliant, bright, ancient, old, alert, vigilant, remark, comment, permit, allow, feeble, weak, brave, bold, begin, start, powerful, strong, little, small, beautiful, fair, keen, eager, affection, love, distant, remote, crucial, vital, reject, refuse, vanish, disappear, hope, expect, outcome, result, distrust, doubt, certain, sure, clean, clear, complete, finish, able, capable, fast, swift, mistake, blunder, correct, amend, conduct, behavior, purchase, buy, choose, select, ignore, neglect, receive, accept, precious, valuable, revolt, rebellion, leave, quit, search, quest, remarkable, notable, strength, might, enemy, foe, dishonest, corrupt, uneducated, illiterate, disciple, follower, humorous, funny, assemble, gather, wedding, marriage, prepared, ready, break, recess, discard, renounce, large, massive, girl, lass, tour, journey, impending, imminent, elevated, high, pious, holy, kind, humane, uniformity, harmony, sorrow, grief, prohibit, forbid, trust, faith, trustworthy, faithful, heavenly, divine, fear, dread, deserted, desolate, coalition, alliance, haughty, arrogant, agree, accept, lunatic, mad, kidnap, abduct, mishap, accident, distress, affliction, kindness, mercy, fortune, luck, error, mistake, need, necessity, produce, yield, happy, glad, frequently, often, live, abandon, occur, happen, authentic, genuine, huge, big, injured, wounded, wide, broad, hazard, danger, protect, defend, guilty, criminal, praise, commend, prisoner, captive, obligatory, compulsory, fault, defect, concerned, anxious, sure, certain, risky, dangerous, ruthless, cruel, weep, cry, full, complete, irritate, annoy, unreasonable, absurd, frightened, afraid, yearly, annual, profit, gain, damage, harm, produce, grow, announce, declare, beloved, dear, enraged, angry, disease, die, suspect, doubt, advantage, benefit, create, build, rectify, amend, belief, trust, acute, severe, job, task, completely, quiet, keen, sharp, motionless, still, agony, pain, simple, easy, assist, help, irritate, vex, join, unite, below, under, reply, answer, tired, weary, about, nearly, rapid, quick, specific, particular, spirit, soul, power, energy, thin, slim, independent, free, sick, search, meek, gentle, portion, part, illness, disease, leap, jump, differ, vary, attempt, try, opponent, enemy, without, except, sufficient, enough, necessary, essential, terrible, awful, lift, raise, talk, speak, shut, close, eminent, celebrated, inexpensive, cheap, receive, accept, correct, right, wonder, roam, concise, brief, courageous, daring, cheat, deceive, lifeless, dead, fault, defect, joy, delight, modest, humble, difficulty, hardship, shelter, heaven, compulsory, obligatory, wealthy, opulent, forgive, pardon, delicious, palatable, sacred, pious, evil, wicked, empty, vacant, exhausted, tired, economical, thrifty, foolishness, stupidity, lonely, solitary, sample, specimen, courageous, brave, construct, build, border, boundary, attractive, charming, hide, conceal, clash, conflict, shorten, curtail, admit, confess, repentance, remorse, dwell, reside, suppress, restrain, depend, rely, disclosure, revelation, virtuous, righteous, bright, radiant, reputed, renowned, controversy, quarrel, diligent, laborious, deficiency, lack, deadly, lethal, free, liberate, boy, lad, faithful, loyal, fortunate, lucky, limitless, infinite, wound, injure, internal, inner, crazy, insane, lifeless, inanimate, lazy, idle, bravery, courage, refuse, decline, longing, desire, dishonor, disgrace, copy, duplicate, unlawful, illegal, solitude, isolation, please, entertain, jealous, envious, huge, enormous, attempt, effort, prodigal, extravagant, animosity, enmity, engage, employ, instance, example, aware, conscious, entire, complete, joyful, cheerful, think, consider, precious, costly, praise, admire, goal, aim, genuine, authentic, lovely, beautiful, faith, belief, hide, conceal, suitable, eligible, period, duration, hard, difficult, capability, ability, fearless, bold, quiet, calm, frank, candid, ample, plentiful, promise, pledge, sketch, portray, ache, pain, apex, peak, gigantic, large, freedom, liberty, unusual, abnormal, merciful, kind, wisdom, knowledge, instant, immediate, thankful, grateful, pleasure, happiness, paradise, heaven, imitate, follow, defect, flaw, exact, accurate,